Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn prompt engineering. First, begin by grasping the foundational concepts of large language models, understanding how they process and generate text. Next, familiarize yourself with various prompt types, such as zero-shot, one-shot, and few-shot prompting, which are crucial for guiding model behavior. Then, delve into the essential components of a well-structured prompt, including clear instructions, relevant context, and desired output format. This initial step lays a solid groundwork for more advanced techniques. Moving on, master core prompting techniques that enhance model performance. Chain of thought prompting, for instance, helps models break down complex problems into manageable steps, often improving accuracy by 20 to 30%. Iterative prompting is also key. It involves refining your prompts based on the model's initial responses, a process that can significantly improve output quality over several iterations. Additionally, learn to employ delimiters and specific formatting to clearly separate instructions from context, ensuring the model understands your intent. Now, let's focus on practical application. Experiment with various large language models, as each has unique strengths and weaknesses. Utilize online playgrounds and APIs provided by platforms like OpenAI or Google to gain hands-on experience. This direct interaction is invaluable for understanding how different prompts influence model behavior. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to experimenting, analyzing model outputs, and systematically refining your prompts. This consistent practice will sharpen your skills and intuition significantly. Finally, for advanced strategies and continuous growth, delve into concepts like prompt chaining, where multiple prompts are linked to achieve a larger goal. Stay current with the rapidly evolving field by regularly reading research papers and industry updates. Engaging with online communities and forums can provide valuable insights and foster collaborative learning. Consider specializing in prompt engineering for specific applications, such as content creation or data analysis, to deepen your expertise and become a true master.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.